2015. Hello, I'm Melissa Smits, winemaker and vineyard manager at Intersection Winery in Oliver, BC. This weekend we're pairing 3 of our wines from our portfolio to go with barbecue. And I've also chosen to match our 2015 with some duck breast and apricot sauce. I've also mashed it with some chili lime corn and potatoes on the grill, and I've garnished it with a bit of fresh thyme from the garden. I've also chilled this wine a little bit because ideally it should be served around 18 to 20 degrees. Always when it's too warm outside, you've got to bring the wine down in temperature. I'm just going to show you what I've made. Pretty nice. Try not to lose any of that corn. I really enjoy working with the Cabernet Franc because it's savory and it meshes well with smoky, herbaceous, and fruity flavors, so you can use all of that to match with the wine. Yeah, so here we go. I may as well try it. This is it's a really fun varietal to work with because it has the savory notes but also some nice plum and raspberry characters. There's also just a touch of sort of a red pepper and some spice from the oak. I've decided to use the corn and the potatoes as a simple side because it really just accentuates everything that we want to get out of the Cabernet Franc. That beautiful brightness needs to be elevated, so I've done a little bit of lemon juice and some shallot in the sauce. And I've kind of added the chili for that extra dimension that matches well with the wine. Usually I like to match it with duck because I do a dinner every year called Franc and Honk. Sadly postponed this year but not cancelled entirely. But next time I get to put on the dinner, we like to match every Cab Franc we can find with duck because this balance of the fat and the savory and the sort of big texture of the meat really works with the wine as well. And I tend to find that they're all in the same neighborhood for flavors, for things you can add as garnish. Yes. Yeah, I'm happy with this wine because the longer it has in bottle, the more it opens up and the softer and smoother the tannins get. There's still some nice structured tannins there, but not so much that it would take away from anything that we're going to be eating. If you're going to be grilling something, it won't overpower it, so it's nicely balanced as well. So yeah, if you want to check out our online shop at goxwine or xwine.ca, and we will hook you up with some great wines for grilling. So yeah, thanks for joining us, and cheers.